Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rolan. Let's get started. Here I show you how to trade binary options, of course. And today I'm gonna demonstrate the strategy which will help you win almost all your trades, and you're gonna multiply your balance pretty easily. So just repeat after me, take notes, practice. Let's get started. Right now we're gonna need the following indicators. The first one is the Bollinger Bands, and the second one is a RSI oscillator. So first of all, let's adjust the Bollinger Band. Set the period to 13, deviation to 2. Set the period to 13 on the RSI. So there we go. I guess we're ready. Our signals will be the rejection from the upper or from the lower boundary now of the Bollinger Bands, and the oscillator RSI is gonna validate the signal, right, when the moving average is at the peak or at the bottom. So in other words, when the moving average is in the overbought or oversold zones. Another signal for opening the position will be the breaking through the channel. So let's begin trading session. Let's get started. First currency pair we're gonna find right now. For the most profitable position entered today, got a $79 on the balance. We trade on a 1 minute time frame as usual. So let's begin analyzing. Let's open long position, for example. Here everything is pretty simple. So what's the first thing that catches the eye? Is the touch of the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band. The rebound is gonna happen. We also see that the moving average is at the lower point here on the RSI rates. We can even point out this zone, and we expect to see the reversal to the upside. So here's the extra signal. Let me just point it out, which is the touch of this support zone, right? The rejection took place here, and here, and I think now we're gonna expect the same thing. So let's see, and take a look at this breakout. Nice, exactly as predicted, guys. The price started going up, and the first position has been closed in profits. We got 147, and this is just the beginning. So let's update the trade amount. Don't forget about us. There is no stopping here for us. Let's continue the trading session, right? So as you see, everything is absolutely clear, and let's find the next currency pair. So let's continue analyzing. Well, what do we got here? Okay. Well, no, this one got really strong volatility. We're not gonna open here, but however, this one looks really promising. Let's open a short position. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry. Well. First of all, we see that the price hasn't hit the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands. Now, also there were the downward dynamics here, after which there was a small pullback. Look at this green candle. So, yeah, after the correction. Now, and the price should continue moving downwards. The touch of the lower boundary should happen. This is inevitable. Also, if we look at the RSI, there is still some space until the oversold zone, so the downward dynamic should remain for a while, and then we're probably gonna see the change of the trend, the reversal. But now we're playing a little bit ahead of the market, and you can see the breakdown. That's good. And let's continue. We are in the profits, changing the amount. So let's move on. I'm not sure about this, it's not clear. So not so clear, I could say. Yeah, sometimes it takes time to be sure. So let's continue. Let's see what do we got here. Let's have a look. Okay, probably we're a little late here. Anyway, let's open a long position, guys. This is still not the best position entry level, but we're gonna find this out in the end. So I want to bring to your attention the fact that the touch of the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands hasn't happened yet. The price is moving upwards. Previously there wasn't the upward dynamics, right? After which a small correction took place. We see this red candle, but the correction should be over by now. And we can point out the rebound from the midline on the RSI right here. And the price should move closer to the overbought zone. Now, after which the reversal will eventually happen. That's why we opened long position, guys. And let's have a look. Okay, that's cool. That's good. The breakout is happening. Our position ended up in profits, I guess, for sure, like that. We have $435. Let's put them all, and let's continue our trading. So, wow, whoa! Look at this huge dump, guys. Looks really promising. Believe me, though. Let's open. Right now, yeah, let's open long position. The pullback should happen after all, right? So the red candle looks really insane. The price broke through the lower boundary of the Bollinger. As a result, this huge dump is happening right now, and I'd like to point out this important support zone, and the rebound should happen here. At least small pullback is gonna take place. If we look at the RSI, we see the moving average has hit the oversold zone right here, so this is a clear bottom for now, after which we expect some upward dynamics. That's why we open a long position, right? So let's see. And yep, the breakout is gaining momentum. Look at the inception of the green candle, exactly as we predicted, guys. After such dumps, the correction should follow up, so we got it, right? Even though the price could continue moving down, the correction should take place like 100%. In general, we see more downward dynamics on the chart, and we're in the profits. We got $670. Let's put them all. Let's update the trade amount. All right, there's no stopping. Let's continue, of course. And well, what do we got here? Let's just see. Take a look at the price here. Looks insane. This is pictures everywhere, probably news issues. So let's see. Yeah, kind of interesting market today, right? Okay. Alright, let's open a long position here. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry, of course. we observe the downward dynamics here. Clear downtrend takes place, guys. There we go. So then we see this beautiful pump. After that, we see this correction, right? But I want to point out this touch of the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, which tells us that the pullback is imminent. Actually, it could be the change of the trend, so the price could go sideways now. Also, we see the validation on the RSI. Here's the rebound from level 50, after which the price is likely to go up. And let's have a look. Right? I guess that's all for explaining. And yeah, we see the inception of the green candle here. There are 5 seconds left before the closing, and in a profit, of course, we have a $1,233. That's fine. Let's update the trade amount like that. Okay, and let's continue making money, guys. We're not stopping here. This is just the beginning. So I'm not done here. That's what she said. Okay. We're gonna find another currency pair for the better position entry. For now, I like our positions, our trades. They're in profits, they're easy, they're good. So basically, we observe more sideways movement on the market. Well. I think we should open a long position here. Let me explain this trade entry, right? The first thing notice, guys, is that the touch of the upper boundary of the Bollinger hasn't happened yet. So we got some space for that. We opened the head of the market here. Also, there was a huge downward dynamics, right? After which we see the next pullback. Let me just point this. Okay, if we look at the RSI, we see that the moving average hasn't hit the overbought zone yet, so we have some time. That's why we opened the long position. We expect the price to go upper before the correction, right? So just look at this beautiful pullback, guys. Another green candle just showed up. Beautiful trade entry level, and of course we're in the profits. Of course, we got almost $2,000 on the balance. Great outcome, guys. Let's continue the trading session. Right. So let me just find another currency pair for our profitable session. Okay. Let's open the long position, guys. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry. So just take a look at this strong support zone. I want to point out the rebound is about to happen. We see the same thing happening here, and there, and I believe the price will bounce off the support and will move upwards, right? We see the touch of the middle line on the RSI, after which the pullback is expected. The price is gonna move towards the overbought zone, and the upward dynamic should follow up, then the price will go to the upside. So that's why we opened long position here. The pullback is gonna play out, so let's have a look. And damn, again we see this huge breakout, exactly as we predicted. Great trade entry level. It couldn't play out any better, guys, and we get $2,700 on our balance. We're not gonna stop here, just the beginning. I mean, we are on a profits. Let's just move on. We're not gonna stop here. So let's open a few more trades. Well, looks good. We're gonna open our long position right away without hesitation, and let's put more $700 in position. I think we caught a good trade entry level, so everything is super simple as always. We see the touch of the lower boundary of the Bollinger, after which the pullback is very profitable. The price will move upwards, right? By the way, this level is also the support one. There were a lot of projections before. The RSI validates our bullish signal. We see that the moving average is at the bottom point. right in the oversold zone, so the reversal should follow up, and we're gonna see the upward dynamics on the chart. And I guess that's all. Let's just see. And yeah, there we go. We see the inception of the green candle. Our position are gonna end up in profits like that. And the last one. Okay, we're in a profit anyway, except the last one. There are 3,600 on the balance. Let's continue the trading session. Let's make good money today. Okay. Of course, here we're gonna open long positions. Let me just explain it, kind of interesting. So, first of all, we observe the touch of our support zone, which is also the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band, so we got two signals at once. There was a rejection here, and there. Really strong support zone, guys. That's why the price is gonna move upwards. As simple as that. We don't pay attention to the RSI, doesn't show us anything. And yep, I guess we have a great trade entry level. And let's just see. So yeah, RSI is useless for this situation. And yep, as I said, great trade entry. The breakout is already happening. Our position gonna be in the profits. And let's just watch like that. We're close to $6,000 on the balance. Let's open our final positions. I guess I think we will find a good payout rate. So well, 24. You kidding me? No. See you later. Alright, let's open 5 long positions here. I think this is a great signal, and you're gonna make sure of it. The support zone is playing out, guys. There was a rebound here, and the same goes for this. The price has hit the lower boundary of the Bollinger, so this is our main signal for opening short, and the RSI validates the signal. Right, the moving average is at the bottom, near the oversold zone, after which the price will definitely go up. So let's see. The breakout is happening. Our position will be in the profits anyway. It's just a matter of time. So there are literally 15 seconds left. We got nice position entry level. So let's just see. Nice. The last positions are in profits. We got almost $10,000 on the balance, and it's enough for today, I guess. It's important not to gamble, right? We're not gamblers, we're traders. So you have to keep a cool head. Let's move to the withdrawal, guys, to my favorite part. So there we go. So yeah, BTC wallet's gonna be okay. Let's withdraw $9,000. This is my BTC address right here, and I'm gonna put down the code. Just give me time, I'll check it out. Okay, nice. And there we go, our transaction is being processed, guys. I'll attach the screenshot, of course, when it's done at the end of this video, at that exactly moment. Right, so thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget about it. YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions. Also, leave a comments. Waiting for you in my Telegram channel. There's a lot of useful information. You can text me, we can discuss. Also, we have a VIP signal. So, bye-bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.